But here's the truth. You can either head for your goals and make this happen, or you can hit the snooze button. Just let go of your goals. Because I'll tell you something, people are not paying attention to how they're doing the small things. But that's really what matters. Because how you do the small things is how you do the big things. So you think even just a tiny little bit in your house, if you walk by a spoon, on your side table, think I'll do it later, or someone else might do it, or it doesn't matter. That is how, then if you're walking by that spoon, you're walking by multi-million pound opportunities. I promise you. And you know, hitting snooze, I know it's in the title of this, but like, that is probably one of the worst things that you could possibly do. Why is that one of the worst things you could do? Because you are, obviously you set your alarm for a certain time. Yeah, and I don't think you say to yourself, oh yeah, I'm going to, get up, I'm going to set it for 6, but really I'm going to get up at 10 past 6 or any of that stuff. Like, if your alarm's going off, what are you doing? Look, the difficulty or the uncomfortable part is the getting up. So whether you get up at the first time of asking, or the second, or the third, or the fourth, or the fifth, or the sixth time of asking, it's still going to be uncomfortable for you. Yeah, so the thing is, you might as well just do what's a little bit uncomfortable for you. So over time, you can build the compound effect to go in your favor. Because either you're going in the right direction or you're going in the wrong direction. There is no middle ground. There is no this average. We go all the way through school and we're told like, oh, you're above average or you're below average or the average score is this. There is no average. You're either going up or you're going down. There is no staying the same. So even if you do nothing, you're going down because there is no the same. So the question is, what are you going to do about it? Because there are decisions that you've got to make daily. Yeah, but these decisions, they don't take effect straight away. That's why people are not paying attention to them. That is why we're not sure whether we're doing the right thing for the right reasons or not. Yeah, it's just not making sense to us. But look, the daily things that you do make a massive difference. Just because I eat an apple for one time, that doesn't mean that I'm going to be healthy forever. I got to continue to do it on a daily basis. Wasn't there a saying when we were all children that if an apple a day keeps the doctor away? I don't know if that's true or not, but I think the whole thing is you got to do something daily. You got to do something consistently. I'm not saying I have the answer of what it is. I mean, meditation works for me, and I know doing it daily over the last few years has what enabled me to get more balance, more clarity, more power, more presence, which means I've got more energy to do the things and focus on the things that I want to do to go and achieve and hit my business goal, my income goals, my relationship goals, and all the rest of it. Yeah, because it's a daily thing. I think if you just meditate one time, I'm not sure that's going to do anything for you. Or maybe it does, I don't know. Yeah, but if you want a lasting change, so comment if you want a lasting change. Wherever you're watching this, if you want a lasting change, just comment below. In fact, go subscribe to the YouTube channel Real Life Group, because not only do we have a whole host of property training, investments, how to make all that work for you, but generally the real deal is how you switch on the mind. Yeah, it's how the mind is going to work for you and how you get your thoughts attracting the things you want, not bringing in the things into your life that you don't want. Because let's face it, I don't know exact statistic, but I think it is we hear 5 times more no's than yeses in life when we're in childhood. And that just tells me that there's a negative pull on life. So if you see the line is going across and either you're going up or you're going down, naturally there is a pull to the negative. Yeah, and this is why, I don't know what it is, whether it's 1%, whether it's 5% of the people who are successful, or they're achieving their goals or moving in the direction, moving this upward trend direction. I don't know whether it's 1%, 2%, 5%, but let's just say it's 5%. That means 95% are on a downward trend. So what does this tell you? This tells you that no matter what you do when you're trying to go up on the upward trend, the other people around you, the other things around you will pull you down. Why? Because it just highlights to them how they're not doing, or they're not living up to their true potential. So the one thing I would say to you is, if you've got to do the right thing for the right reason, because it's the only way you're going to discover your true potential. Yeah, and if you want to get more out of life, then you've got to start doing something different. You got to start doing something different right now, making decisions that are going to take you on the upward trend. But you got to do it consistently. You know, it's not a one-time event. I'm hoping that you don't just have one shower and say, yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm pretty certain that you're going to have to consistently make sure you need to shower, wash your hands, and all the rest of it. And it's these tiny things that make a huge difference. Huge difference. You know, a difference that you can't even imagine right now. So all I want you to do is just go out there today, make the decision of something, one improvement that you're going to make in one area of your life. Look, you can do this in many ways, and I'm here to help. I want to help you. This is my passion. Yeah, so if you want to do the 12-day success challenge, just go to 12dayschallenge.co.uk, or if someone's already on it or doing it, then they can put the link in here. Or get yourself to Discover Your True Potential. It's on the 18th of April. So dytp.co.uk, put the www in front. Get yourself registered on that ticket, because that's where not only will we highlight what's going on for you, now I'm going to highlight, but you're going to be able to highlight for yourself with the strategies, with the tools that you need to equip yourself to be on the rise. So if you want to be on the rise, I want to see you there. If not, that's okay too. Just hit the snooze button and stay where you are. Some of you like this, some of you don't like it, but it is the way it is. And whether you believe me, whether you believe in the law of gravity, it's still working. Yeah, so all these things, these principles of, look, you're either going up or you're going down. And your daily decisions, disciplines, your attitude, your mindset, you're going to need to know what's causing all of this, because ultimately you're getting the result that you're getting. The thinking that you have right now got you to where you are in your life. That same thinking doesn't increase your income, doesn't give you better relationships, doesn't give you more happiness, more fulfillment. It doesn't, because if it did, you'd already have it. And wherever you are in life is what you've got. So if you want to move to another level, you've got to do something different. I want to see you do something. Just do something. I don't care if it's with me or with someone else. Just do something. Do the right thing for the right reason, because the only way you're going to discover your true potential.